I'm Miss Mariah with Elite Arts Dance Academy. We're going to do some intermediate to advanced bar work today.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
If you're a dancer or a dance instructor looking to mix up your bar work a little bit, you should give this a try.
So we're going to start in first position. This is one that is modified. You can do it with or without point shoes. So we're going to stand in first position and music starts, and we're going to prepare our arms. We're going to do 2 demi-plies, 1 and straight, and 2 and straight. Arms up, grand plie, and close. Again, 1 and 2, and arms up. Grand plie all the way down here. And we're going to repeat in second position. Same thing, 1 and 2, grand 2 times. And then we're going to do of the right foot and a plie. So 1 and close, and 2, a little slower this time. Then we're going to go up to demi and down, close back to first, and then another little way up and down. And that's full exercise. Now I will demonstrate same exercise with music. Now we're going to do it on the left, this time with point shoes on. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and like and subscribe. Bye!